Good morning, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and audience. Today, we are going to talk about tools. But this is not going to be a long video. It's going to be a shorts, known as shorts. Alright, here we go. So here are a couple of things that many network, especially telecom, data communication, engineers, technician in the field who work in IDF room, MDF room, data centers, and utility rooms, Ethernet, cable management spots in areas. This is a Snips, we call them, scissors. This is your Cat 5, Cat 6, and 7. These are your Cat 5 and Cat 6 jackets, we call them, or terminators, where you put the cable in, you terminate the cable and make it hot. Great tool to use.